All right, breaking here at 3, this family of 5 manatees is finally going home. They have been trapped for a week after storm surge from Hurricane Idalia swept them into a canal near the Whiskey Creek Country Club. Wink News has been there every step of the way, and now we say bon voyage to our little friend manatees out there. And as you can see, FWC helped those manatees back up onto the ground so they can place them elsewhere back into the water. Now Wink News reporter Liz Byro is live now at Horton Park in Cape Coral, where those manatees are now, hopefully. Liz, what's the update?
Yeah, all 5 manatee are free to swim unencumbered after FWC released them from this boat ramp. Now, out of those 5, they saved the last 2 for mom and her calf because the calf, little baby, is still so young and is in those years where he still likes to be next to mom. Now, the easy part was releasing them into this water. The hard part was getting them out of Whiskey Creek. It was all hands on deck. Teams from FWC, Moat Marine Lab, Clearwater Marine Aquarium, Zoo Tampa, and LCSO worked together starting at 9:30. It took them close to 3 hours to get the 5 manatee out of the water there. People in the water made little bubbles to attract the curious sea cows, and boats helped shepherd them into a net where they could then be pulled out. I asked Florida Fish and Wildlife's Andy Garrett about their method to do this safely.
All of our stranding partners came here together and provided resources and people, but it's a group effort. What we're trying to do is separate the animals, trying to get individual animals into a section of this canal system so that we're just pulling one animal out, because what ends up happening sometimes is they kind of herd together and ball up. We don't want to try to catch 5 animals. There's a lot of animals rolling and don't want anybody to get hurt. So try to get them down to where we get one animal, get it out, catch it, take it over to a processing team where we have a veterinarian who's going to check it over. They draw some blood, they do some other workup on it, and then get it over to a release site and let it go.
All the animals got a clean bill of health, then taken by car to Horton Park in Cape Coral. That's the closest place they could drop off the animals. Teams wrapped them in a blue tarp like a hammock and carefully loaded them off the truck for a seamless release. You can see in this video, this is mom. She was quite large, and her little calf. Now, when there's a hurricane like Idalia or a tropical storm, FWC expects there to be surge and therefore displaced animals. It then becomes their job to assess the situation and see, which animals are in the most severe need. Severe is when the water goes down and they're left high and dry. Now, those in Whiskey Creek, that was not the case, and FWC made the right call. All 5 of those manatee are safe in Cape Coral. Liz Byro, Wink News.